Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Wednesday, November the 20th. Okay, so here we have the trade that I set yesterday on an SOXS, and let's analyze that. Sorry, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, so here we have the trade. Is fine. It's a diagonal. I'm investing $330 to make 70. In the case the stock rallies strongly, if it stays in this area, then you can get a little more. And it's just a high probability trade. That's all. That's the reason one enters it. But you can transform it into a vertical spread by simply rolling the December 27 calls to January, and then becomes a call vertical. Okay, good. I'm gonna go here to the monitor tab and account statements and click here on the P&L, and I see that the Home Depot trade is $211 profit. Let's take a look at the chart of Home Depot. Okay, it looks like it may continue on down, but let's analyze the trade. That's what it looks like, and you can see that we're not going to add much. Something like $4 for staying. Every day that passes, you're risking it, and we have until December before, it's a whole month, and in a whole month, who knows what can happen. So the best thing to do is just get out and pay little in terms of your maximum gain. It's only $4 difference. You see here I have the closing trade at $4.96 in credit. The maximum will be $5, so I'm leaving 4 cents on the table, plus I'm paying the commissions in order to close the trade. Okay, chances are the stock will continue down, but who knows. I think it's wise to take your profits whenever you can. Okay, and in this case, you're saving yourself not money, but the entire month, November to December. So let's send that off and close that trade. The other is EOG. This is the opposite. We have this stock very close to closing, to expiring worthless. Here is where we are. And my maximum profit will be $210. It's right now $183 in profit, which means that's $27 that I would leave on the table. If I were one of those people who trade every day, if I was watching the stock, it would be fine, but I don't know if tomorrow I'm going to be watching it every second. And in this case, because we are trading after hours, I'm assuming that most of people watching here will be doing the same thing. Instead of trading 24/7, we're trading for half an hour at the end of the day. And so in this case, I'm going to close this trade for a debit of 14 cents. Times 2, that's $28. Okay, and my maximum profit is 181, and that's fine with me. Okay, the point is we are playing the probabilities, so you get out, it's better. And in 2 days, anything can happen. The stock can move strongly and get out of her range. What? No, a piece of news can drop the stock to 67 from 72, and then we lose all the profits we have. So why risk it? Just close your trade. If the stock was much higher, perhaps I would say, oh, who cares? It's not going to drop. But generally, I would say close your trades if you can. Okay, I do have a bearish trade to enter. It's on XRX. Xerox. Mind you, I have a lot of potential candidates, but none of them are looking completely bearish. I have my rationale, so I'm going to say there is a lot of potential trades. I'm being very selective because we already have quite a few bearish trades. Okay, so here is XRX, and I am entering the January 17 puts. I'm buying the 39 and selling the 47. My debit is $264. My maximum potential profit is 336. So it looks pretty good. And confirm and send. And as you can see, I'm risking $264. Again, less than 1% of my account. Eventually, as we gain confidence, you could increase your maximum risk to 2% or 1.5%. Who knows? We'll see as we go, right? Okay, and I have been considering a bullish trade on two stocks. UBER, Uber, and STZ. I just didn't find a good trade, a good spread, so I'm sorry about that, but those would be two stocks that I'm considering. Okay, so let's say you type on the address line here www.putcallgenie.com, and let's say that you are a visitor. You will go to tutorials. If you have not registered as a visitor, you'll be shown an entry form like this, okay? Now, let's suppose that you then go to tutorials, free videos, you select free videos, and here you will find the Traders Expo. This video will show you my 2017 Elliott wave analysis. It's sort of interesting to see because I believe the market has reached my target, so you should look at that. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining me for this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.putcallgenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.